Okay, everybody, I'm back, and I'm going to start by adding another strip to your 12.5 by 6 inch and so on. So the best way to start is, well, I don't know, maybe, yeah, the best way to start is in the middle. So what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna take the tie backing off, adhering the glue. Don't know where it went. Adhere it to this side, and this time I only used the 12-inch because it's on the inside. That little bit and that little bit won't do any harm. So I'm going to take the second half off, and adhere it to the page. To the page, to the bottom. So that it stands up right. Okay. Then on this side I decided to use, if it's only one, I'm still gonna do it, only one structure strip here. Because I'm going to adhere it to your 6, we're going to adhere it to this side. Okay, the second one, it's going nowhere, so therefore I just attach one. Okay, take off your tie backing, and I want to do both at the same time, because I'm not going to put pattern paper here. It's already been covered with a craft, so no, I'm not going to put pattern paper there. And lift it up, make sure that it's straight, and fasten it. Embellish, burnish very well. It will take a while because we've added the wet glue. Okay, that one isn't straight enough, but it's too late now. Okay, if you so wish, you can also add, which I'm going to do, just a strip here to ensure that this one stays upright, but I don't foresee any problems. So I'm just going to do one little strip here. My English is so bad because it's not my mother tongue. Sometimes I just do not know how to say it in English. Okay, let's move that from the other side as well. Just add a little bit of wet glue, and it's going to go nowhere. Now we are going to do the back part as well as the sides. Back part as well as the sides. Oh, it's looking pretty. Okay, let's just turn it this way. Having a structure strip here. With glue. Adhere it to the bottom side first, and make sure it's on the edge. Okay, take off your tape backing. And even add a little bit of glue on the inside here, if you so wish. And put it down. Oh my word. Put it down. Yes. Put it down and lift it. Like so. Okay. Now we are going to cut some pieces for the corners, which is 1 inch pieces. Oh my word. Let me just do it with a cutter. So I need one, two, three, four for now. 2, 3, 4. Put your glue on the inside again. Attach it. Do the same on the other sides, on all 4 sides. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing, sorry. Remove this side, or remove both sides. Your tie backing. And I'm going to add some glue there in the slits as well, between this 1 inch and the 7 inch, and I am going to adhere it corner to corner, like so. There we go. The next one, the next corner is the same. This doesn't want to adhere. I wonder why. Yeah, it's better. Where is your third one? And your fourth one. Okay, remove the tie backing again. Wet glue, lift and adhere, lift and adhere. I love it. But you know what we could have done? Oh my goodness, it's not dry. We could have I was thinking of adding this like so, yeah, the 1 inches, but maybe, yeah, it will work. Must work, because I did it to the previous one. Okay, just leave it like that for it to dry a little bit. Okay, now this is a 4 inch that we've added in here, and this is a 6 inch. So on this one I want a 7 inch Where is my strips here? On this one I want a 7-inch because I want it to go from there to 6 inches. So there's my 6-inch mark, there's my 7-inch mark. So what I want is I want this to go up to the 7-inch there. Oh, you can't see. There. To secure my side. Okay? And I'm going to put it on the inside. Yeah. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. And then this one on the inside. Here as well. No. Like so. Just from there. I'm going to do it from there to up to the 6-inch mark. Where are you? That one there. And this one there. So I'm going to make it, mark it. And mark it there. So this is quite a slant, so let's do it and see how it looks. Not bad. Not bad. You see, what I wanted to do is from there, it should start from there, and I'm going to put it like that. And the same with the other one. Start from there and adhere it to there. So your spaces between is exactly 1 inch. Okay, I'm gonna first try and see if I can get it right, and then I'll come back and show you. So I'll be back soon. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.